I just dropped Astral. Let's go. Yes, 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 yes. I knew this was the raid. Oh, let's go. Let's go, bro. Finally. Finally. I finally dropped them. Oh, let's go, bro. Yo, Kuya. Kuya, I dropped Cosmic Gato. I'm gonna go test them real quick. I dropped two of the accessories. I'll just use this and I'm just gonna test them real quick.
Okay, just bring food for them.
Yeah, he asked me.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Oh, you make
That's pretty good.
when I graduated from my course.
Oh wait, they added DPS. Bro, I'm so happy. I finally got the character, bro. Wait, let's see how many raids I had to do. I think I did like 15. What? 39? Okay, I might as well try and get the title, but I'm gonna go for super. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye.